Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add music to your Facebook profile so that it plays when someone visits it. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Now that you're on your profile, tap on Edit Profile, scroll all the way down and tap on Edit Your About Info. In the new screen, scroll down until you find the music section. Tap on it. Now tap the plus icon to add a new song. You'll see a list of popular songs from different artists. Just search or browse and tap on the one you want to add to your profile. Once you've added the song, you'll see it in your music list. To make one song appear on your profile, tap it and then select Pin to Profile. And that's it. Now you know how to add music to your Facebook profile and make it play for your visitors.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.